Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're talking about safety, personal safety. Here's a Papasafety pepper gel spray with personal alarm. That's a tongue twister there. All right, so be testing this out. Pepper spray is no joke. It has some instructions here. Has little lanyards. You can put this on your keychain. Nice bright pink color there. It's pretty cool here. We can just push this in here and put this, keep this on your person with this little device here, so you can secure it to your keychain or maybe on your belt loop or something like that. That's pretty neat. And this just snaps off if you want it to. So that's pretty cool. And it has a little metal thing there. Anyways, that's nice. It comes in a little case too if you want. Be like, yeah, I got a gift for you. Oh, so that's pretty sweet. And then it also comes with a charger because this has lights and siren. 130 decibel siren. So has a couple switches here on the left and right side. So this on the left side is just an on-off switch to allow this siren to actually go on. So if you have this one off and you turn this on, your siren's not going to work. So it's a double safety kind of thing there. You press this one on and then you press this one on. Good golly. All right, that's loud. I also want to see the strobe lights on there, so. Okay, so that's, my ears are ringing. That's really loud. So if you're need to defend yourself, someone's kind of sketchy coming at you, you could turn on the alarm if you want. Be like, hey, back off. Get people's attention around you. People that are up to no good don't want to draw the attention to themselves generally, so that probably scare them off. Okay, so if you are going to spray someone, you always want, like I said, you always want to keep this one on the left-hand side. You always want that in the on position. And when you go to spray, if you press down hard, it's actually going to activate the alarm and spray and the little lights too. So this has supposed to be about a 12-foot distance you can do. I'm going to test this out. I'm not going to spray myself in the face because pepper spray is not a lot of fun. But I'm going to demonstrate this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's go do that right now. Okay friends, here we are outside. Got the switch on the left hand side. That's going to be on the on position. So if someone's giving me some trouble, flip up your little thing and press down hard. That's going to set up the alarm. Okay, so the effective distance looks to be right about 10 feet maybe. Maybe a little bit closer. So I sprayed out there pretty good. I actually want to get a little bit on my hand just to see how potent this stuff is. So looks like I dripped some on my hand there. Definitely don't want to get this in my eyes, but okay. Got some on my hand there. It smells like bubble gum actually. It's not really burning my hand at all. These are designed to get like in mucous membranes or whatever. And it's kind of like a gel stuff. But this isn't, yeah, it smells like bubble gum. Anyways, so there it is, my friends. Sprayed out pretty good. You want to aim obviously for people's eyes, get that in the eye, and then it's really not a lot of fun.